Hey guys, quick 1 minute review on the Osmo Repelmax in 2026. Let's talk about whether it's actually worth your money. So, this is one of those plug in pest repellers that claims to use ultrasonic pressure and electromagnetic waves to keep mice and insects away. Setup is as simple as it gets. Literally, just plug it into a wall socket and leave it running. Now, in terms of performance, results aren't instant. Most users, including myself, noticed changes after about 1 to 2 weeks. In my case, I did see a drop in rodent activity, especially in the kitchen area, but it wasn't a magic overnight fix. The biggest selling point is that it's chemical-free and safe around pets and kids, which is a big win if you don't want traps or poison in the house. But here's the catch. Results can vary depending on your space. Some people swear by it, others say it does very little. So overall, it's decent for prevention, not a guaranteed exterminator. I'd call it worth trying, but don't expect miracles.